Hello everyone, this is Jackie White, Sweet Dreams Travel, where we help you have extraordinary travel experiences. And today I'm in Nassau, Bahamas, and I wanted to let you know what you can do for free or almost free. So let's begin. As you can see, we are slowly seeing your first glimpse of Atlantis. Now here are you at the terminal. There are multiple ships that come in at the same time. Here I'm showing you two. As you can see, ships are very large and the terminal is a very long walk. So please be prepared to walk a very lengthy period of time before you actually get into Nassau itself. And as you see, they're constructing it, so just want to give you a view of the long walk that you have in here. So please consider who you have with you and if they can make that journey out of the terminal past all the ships. It's a very sunny day here today, so definitely wear that sunscreen and a hat. Now we are out of the terminal and we're in the marketplace that's right there out of the terminal. And here you see a marker to Christopher Columbus. A nice little area, lots of shops that you can find some souvenirs there. And now here we have our first Bahamian Governor General, a bust of him. Now let's make our way. The main street is going to be coming up on the other side here. Here it is. This is Bay Street. You take a quick walk to the left, and then we'll go up the hill, which is Elizabeth. And at the top of the hill, you will see the Queen's Staircase. So this is the lower part. It's nice and shady in there, so it's a great place to start. They also have restrooms right there. Give you a great view of what the slaves did. And here I am. Hello. And the slaves did this this is pure limestone that they dug down into. The different vegetation you see here. And now I'm just making my way towards the staircase. Now there are 65 steps and it's a very hot summer day. And then we get to a landing. It's a little landing in between the steps that's coming up. And there you can turn to the left and you see this wonderful waterfall. Top you see, welcome to the Queen's Staircase. And this is the water tower at the top. You have another area where you can get some lovely souvenirs and dresses and purses, all kinds of souvenirs at the top. And you just keep walking around. And then we come to Fort Fincastle. And yes, it does look like a ship. And that was built in 1793 by Lord Dunmore. Now on this day, based on COVID, you are not allowed into the structure itself. I know it's a small fee, probably no more than $5 or less to get into the fort on a normal day. So perhaps when you go, you can go into the fort and take a look around. Now behind the fort, there's this area here. You can see some of the cannons. These are only replicas, of course, because this is not the originals. I'll give you another view. And there's another set of steps when you get around the back side of it. That's going to be leading back down. And we're at the highest point, and as you can see off in the distance, you might catch a quick glimpse of Atlantis. And now I'm looking down into the quarry itself, over top the Queen's Staircase. Just to give you another view of how much they really dug out. I love to look at the different buildings and structures, and so came back down from the fort, and now just taking past a couple of the nice buildings that I've seen there, and another area nice and shady. Sometimes I like to get into some of those shady spots because it is a hot day, or it's going to be hot there probably when you go. And here's another monument that you can see in the square. And now when you walk around on the other side, here is Parliament. And it's active, so of course I didn't go into any of these buildings. Of course, this is Queen Victoria. Now let's go down Bay Street again. And these are some of the side streets. And then I, of course, took a look into Strawmarket. You must stop in there. They have all kinds of clothing and, again, additional souvenirs that you can purchase. So now I'm heading towards Junkanoo Beach, which is a free beach here. So on the way, I'm stopping at Pompeii Museum, as well as in the square itself. Now again, the museum was closed, so I'm not sure exactly how much they charge. Wonderful little hint is the signs, and stay to the right side on the street. And that's a good hint that you're going in the right direction. You just keep walking straight, keeping to the right. It's about 20 minutes from the actual port if you only wanted to go to the beach. And here is the beach. It's a public beach, free, except if you want to get an umbrella. Here I am again. Hello. There's also Margarita Beach Resort that has just opened up there. And you can always get a day pass there if you choose to. can see the wonderful ships that are in port. So I headed on back. And I hope you enjoyed this video, which you can do for free walking tour in Nassau, Bahamas. Almost free if you decide to stop and actually purchase those souvenirs. Here's a tip. Bring some water shoes with you. A lot of time the beach looks wonderful, but there are rocks. Thanks for watching.